Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is one of my favorites, and I love the way it's positioned. This is the 2016, the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7181. Now take notice of the exterior condition of this F-150. It's absolutely flawless. It does come equipped with this 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost. It's got the 6-speed automatic transmission. FX4 package, of course. Just really stands out as a super clean truck. And we're going to make our way around the exterior, and we're going to put you right in the driver's seat. It does have the tow package. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. It does have the backup camera, of course, the bed liner. Bluetooth capable, Carfax clean history report. Now look at the exterior, or excuse me, the interior rear. It does have a moonroof in the back for your guests, lots of ample legroom. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the front interior in just a second. There we are right there. Dual climate control from the rear end to the front. Love the interior of this truck. And we're going to put you inside here and just in the driver's seat and let you get a sneak peek of the condition. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. In the final few seconds of the interior, easy access within arm's reach to all your controls. This truck will not last long, so do me a favor. For more info, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual video walk around on this F-150. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.